This video we can discuss about the what is embedded systems and what is embedded systems, where it will in real time, where it will be using, and uh, where it will be using, and when the embedded system is really need in our life, day to day life. Okay, and and agenda is the definitions, components, examples, application, and career. This is the main agenda. This first, have you ever wondered how your washing machine knows before going to the definition? Have you ever wondered how your washing machine knows when to stop? How your car airbags deploy within the microseconds or milliseconds, or however smart TV responds instantly to your remote? The answer is embedded systems. All electrical components, okay, will use will by using the embedded systems. All will be work. Almost every smart electronic device around us is powered by an embedded systems. In this video, you will learn what is an embedded systems, where it is used, the hardware and software behind it, career opportunities in embedded systems, how we can become an embedded engineer. Then we'll start. This is the agenda. What is the embedded systems? An embedded system is a computer designed to perform one or a few specific tasks. Unlike your computer or laptop or desktop, like computer is nothing but desktop, which can run many different applications. And embedded systems is built for a dedicated purpose. Here, small definitions also I have given. Okay, the embedded system is a dedicated computer designed to perform a specific function efficiently and reliably. Okay, you embedded system, for example, if you take the washing machine, the washing machine is washing the clothes and drying the clothes and taking the inputs like water, how much water is required, and the liquid of the surface, liquid of the detergent. If you add any other um, other things, it will take and it will mix it all things and it will do the washing. Means washing machine is dedicated computer design. It is dedicated for washing clothes. Okay, not only washing machines, micro oven. If you take the micro oven, smart TV, printer, air conditioner, smartwatch, car issue, medical devices, anything, it is dedicated for the specific function to run efficiently and reliably. Okay, each of these contains a small computer that performs a specific function efficiently and reliably. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, of the embedded systems. Then we'll where it is will be used. We'll go deep.